In this video, I will show you how to add affiliate links to your Shopify blog. First, sign into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Content, then select Blog Posts. Now open the blog post where you want to add your affiliate link, or create a new blog post if you haven't already. Next, highlight the text where you want to place your affiliate link, just as I'm doing now. Once the formatting toolbar appears, click the Insert Link icon. Now paste your affiliate link into the link field. If you want, you can also add a link title, but this is optional. Next, enable the option to open link in a new window. This allows visitors to stay on your blog while the affiliate page opens in a separate tab. Once you're done, click Insert Link. Now click Save to apply the changes. To make sure everything is working correctly, click Preview and open your blog post. Click on the link text, and it should redirect you to your affiliate page in a new tab. That's how easy it is to add affiliate links to a Shopify blog. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.